Hi guys, Sizika back again. Hey, nimepotea lakini nimerudi. So, leo ni kitu kidogo tu tunafanya mambo na scale into major thirds na tunafanya like you can say drop 2 lakini sasa tunatumia tu like tunataka to sound like an open voicing, like unaweza cheza do re mi fa sol la ti do using open notes, like open chords, like scale yetu ya C major scale, like do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. So instead ya kucheza hivi tunaweza cheza left hand ina play na root the tonic note ambayo ni C. Then this one, the right hand, tunacheza the third up octave. You see? Tayari ushaleta sauti mzuri sana. So like unaweza cheza both, unaweza cheza up octave and low octave like this by ascending and descending, yeah. So now, this is like you are playing chord C, chord 2, chord 3, chord 4, chord 5, chord 6, chord 7, chord 8, ambapo ni same as chord 1. So like unaweza cheza like this song that says I love you Jesus, I love. Instead ya kucheza ati I love you Jesus with all of my heart. You can play using the open voicing, like you see this one on the third, this one on the root note, like I love you Jesus with all of my heart, with all of my heart. So you see, with all of my heart. Then that is like chord 1, chord 2, chord 3, chord 4. So what we do now, since tuna play hapa kwa 1 and the third, now we just make this inversion ambapo ni C major chord second inversion. Sorry. Oops. Maribu. Okay, anyway, maguza camera. So this is just like playing C major chord ambapo ni root, first inversion, second inversion. So tuko kwa second inversion, so it is like this. Then unatengeneza equals second inversion. Hapa ni second inversion inaanza na 5, 1 and 3. So what we do, since we have our left hand, nimeongeza note 2, nimeongeza note 1, I mean. So tulikuwa tunacheza I love you Jesus. So what we do, tunaongeza 5 ambapo ikuji ikuwe ni second inversion, alafu tunacheza like itakuwa hivi love you Jesus with all of my heart. Sorry. Like hata kama hujui kucheza, see, at least you are sounding good, It is like a drop 2. Now we are doing drop 2 chord voicing. So instead of tunatumia hiyo drop 2 ambapo tumeongeza hii number 5, then C already chord ndo hii, tuna drop hii on the left. So tunafanya hivi, so itakuwa I love you Jesus with all of my heart, with all of my heart. You see, with all of my heart. I think uta sound vizuri ya. Unaweza cheza in any key, unaweza enda kwa C sharp, then you just the root note inakuja on your left, then hii inakuwa the 5th and the 3rd. You see? Yeah. Na una sound vizuri. Kama wewe ni mtu wa KG, you just play like yeah, hivyo tu. So hiyo ni just something small, yeah. Please tuendelee kusubscribe na kuwatch videos zangu na tuendelee kugrow pamoja. Yeah.